Lesson 4: Loops and Iterations in Python. In this lesson, we'll cover loops and iterations in Python. Loops are used to repeat a block of code a certain number of times or until a certain condition is met, and iterations allow you to loop over collections of data, such as lists or dictionaries. While loop. The while loop is a basic loop in Python that executes a block of code repeatedly while a certain condition is true. Here's an example. In this example, we've defined a variable named x and used a while loop to print the value of x and increment it by 1 until x is no longer less than 5. The output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For loop. The for loop is another basic loop in Python that is used to iterate over collections of data, such as lists or dictionaries. Here's an example. In this example, we've defined a list of fruits and used a for loop to iterate over each item in the list and print it to the console. Range function. The range function is often used with loops to generate a sequence of numbers. Here's an example. In this example, we've used the range function to generate a sequence of numbers from 0 to 4 and used a for loop to print each number to the console. That's it for lesson 4. In the next lesson, we'll cover functions in Python.